Friends, myself Dr. Taposh Kumar Pal. Welcome to our channel PhysioMax Educational Hub. In this channel, we'll be showing you all the latest advanced assessments and the therapeutic procedures in the field of physiotherapy. So today's our topic is how to strengthen the deltoid muscle. The deltoid muscle, we know it is having a 3 fiber. We are having the clavicular fiber. We are having the acromion fiber, that's the origin of the muscle fiber, and the spine of scapula. The deltoid, as it's having a 3 fiber origin, that's the 3 different fibers of the muscle. That's the anterior fiber, that's the middle fiber, and the posterior fiber. This deltoid muscle is the stabilizer of our glenohumeral joint. That means this muscle helps to stabilize this glenohumeral joint. The easiest way to remember the origin of this muscle is sacs, as this sacs word, it denotes, it helps to carry a heavy weight because it's the stabilizer of the glenohumeral joints. Sometimes just because of any paralysis or paresis or any type of weakness that leads this deltoid muscle to be weak. And once the deltoid is weak, the glenohumeral stability is totally gone. So to strengthen the deltoid muscle, there is a different ways. So today we will be learning how using a weight cup we can strengthen the deltoid muscle and the 3 fibers separately. So friends, everyone come see how to strengthen the deltoid muscle with a 3 fiber, that means the anterior, that means the middle, and the posterior fiber separately using a weight cup. So now we will see how to strengthen the deltoid anterior fiber. To strengthen the deltoid anterior fiber, first sit down in a comfortable position and just keep your both the hands on the sides. You can use a weight cup. It can depends on the 500 gram or 1 kg or 2 kg. Depends on the power of the muscle and the capacity of the muscle. Now you can just make a part, that means you can go just a bit away, that is 10 degrees of abduction, and in this position one by one you can start doing the strengthening of the anterior fiber of the deltoid. That means the fiber which is getting originated from the lateral end of the clavicle. So you are strengthening this muscle. How you are doing? Just lift up your hand slowly, go to 90 degree and again come back. Again you can go do with the left hand, go to 90 degree and come back. Again you can do for the right hand, go to 90 degree, again come back, and the same you can repeat for the left hand and finish it. You can do for the 10 times for the right hand and 10 times for the left hand. This procedure is for the anterior fiber of the deltoid muscle, and this is the way to strengthen the anterior fiber of the deltoid muscle. Now we will see for the middle fiber of the deltoid, that means the fiber which is getting origin from the acromion process, that's the middle fiber of the deltoid muscle, and which helps in the abduction of the shoulder joint. So we will be seeing how to strengthen the middle fiber of the deltoid muscle. For this, just sit in this position. You can sit over a tool also or the bed end, and now for the in this position just keep both your arm on both the sides. Using a weight cup, you can just lift your right hand in this way and again come back. You can lift up your left hand in this way and come back. You can repeat the same with your right hand and come back, and the same thing you can repeat with your left hand. In this way you can do 10 times for your right hand and 10 times for your left hand. This is the procedure to strengthen the middle fiber of the deltoid muscle. to do the posterior fiber of the deltoid muscle, although the better position is to do in the prone position over a bed, but you can do in the sitting position also. How we will do? Just sit in this position, keep a part on the both the sides your arm, and in this position try to lift the arm backward, as the posterior fiber of the muscle, posterior fiber of the deltoid muscle, which helps for the extension of your glenohumeral joint, that's the way to strengthen the posterior fiber of the deltoid. How to do that? In this position, try to lift your arm backward, again come back, again do it for the left hand, come back, again you can do the same thing in the left hand and the come back, and again you can do the same thing over both the hands. Repeat it for the 10 times for both the hand. That's the procedure to strengthen the posterior fiber of the deltoid muscle. Now I will be showing you the strengthening of the deltoid muscle in supine position and in the prone position, how to do the same thing in this position. To strengthen the anterior fiber of the deltoid, just lie down in a supine position, keep both the arm on both the sides, go for a 10 degrees of abduction and try to lift your hand over your head in this way. Come back to its own position. You can do for the left hand. Come back to your own position and repeat it for 10 times. This is to strengthen the anterior fiber of deltoid. To strengthen the middle fiber of the deltoid, what you will do? In this position, just go in the sideline position, keep your arm in a side and try to lift the hand. 1, 2, 3, and repeat it for 10 times. The same way you can do for the left hand. Try to be in a sideline position and lift your hand. 1, 2, 3. Do it for 10 times for both the hands. This is to strengthen the middle fiber of the deltoid muscle. To strengthen the posterior fiber of the muscle, be in the prone position or make your patient to lie down in a prone position. Just go with a 10 degrees of abduction, and in this position try to lift your hand like this. 1, 2, 3. Same way you can try for the left hand also, and both the ways simultaneously for the right and the left. Repeat it for the 10 times, and this is the procedure to strengthen the posterior fiber of the deltoid muscle. Hence, I think everyone understood how to strengthen the deltoid muscle using a weight cuff for the anterior, middle and the posterior fiber, both in the supine and the sitting position. Now, what weight or how much weight you will use for a patient or a players, it depends on the capacity or the endurance power of that particular person. So, in different pathological condition where the muscle is weak, in different pathological condition where the stabilizers, that the main function of this deltoid muscle is going to break down as because of the weakness of this muscle, you are going to strengthen this deltoid muscle. And this is how you will strengthen starting from the 500 gram to 2 kg in different condition, depends upon the progression of the condition and depends upon the progression of the muscle power of this particular group. With a 3 fibers of this deltoid muscle, you will strengthen these stabilizers of your glenohumeral joints. So I hope you people understood how to strengthen the deltoid muscle. So those who are watching this video to learn new techniques and the new procedures in the field of physiotherapy, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also watch for the next video where we will be showing you to strengthen the internal and the external rotators, mainly the seats group of muscle, how to strengthen them. So till that time, thanks everyone.